topic, construction workers. Construction workers play an essential role in the development of society's infrastructure. They are directly involved in building structures such as houses, roads, schools, hospitals, and many other facilities, significantly contributing to economic growth and improving people's lives. The work of a construction worker is not easy. They have to work in harsh conditions, facing extreme heat, possessing teamwork skills are indispensable qualities for them. Besides manual labor skills, construction workers must also keep up with new technologies and techniques to meet the increasingly high demands of the construction industry. Modern equipment such as automated machines, smart construction technologies, and design software are more efficient, reduced accident risks, and improved construction quality. Despite the hardships of seeing the products to be built and provide and serve millions of people, they are silent contributors, dedicating their efforts to creating a more comfortable and modern world. However, society needs to pay more attention to the lives of construction workers, ensuring them a safe working environment, fair wages, and appropriate work policies. Training and skills are also necessary to help them develop and work more effectively in the future. Construction workers are the unsung heroes of society. Thanks to their hard work, construction workers can emerge, contributing to the sustainable development of the country and providing a better life for everyone. Construction workers are the foundation of modern civilization, playing a crucial role in shaping the world we live in today. Powering skyscrapers to infinite road networks, they are the driving force behind the infrastructure that supports our daily lives. Their hard work, dedication, and resilience contribute immensely to economic growth and societal progress. The job of a construction worker is both physically demanding and mentally challenging. They endure harsh weather conditions, work at heights, and operate heavy machinery, often under tight deadlines. Despite these challenges, they continue to build with precision and skill, ensuring that every structure stays strong and serves its purpose safely. Modern construction is no longer just about physical labor.
Hey, you can't park there! You can't park there!
Must now be proficient in using cutting-edge tools, automated machines. Their ability to embrace innovation has led to faster, safer, and more efficient building processes, raising the standards of quality and sustainability. What makes construction workers unique is their unwavering commitment and pride in their work. They transform raw materials into functional spaces, whether it's a home that provides shelter, a hospital that saves lives, or a bridge that saves lives. Their contributions are often overlooked, yet their impact is felt in every corner of society. The efforts of these hard-working individuals. Governments and companies should prioritize their well-being by providing fair wages, safe working conditions, and opportunities for skill development. A strong, skilled, and motivated construction workforce is essential for the continued growth and modernization of our cities. In conclusion, construction workers are the unsung heroes behind every thriving community. Their labor and dedication create the foundation for a better future, and their efforts deserve greater appreciation and respect. As we walk through these and towering buildings, let us remember the hands that built them and the stories of perseverance they carry.